Assalamualaikum everybody. Today my group, as you can see inside the pictures, there's four of us. We're gonna answering question and present to you about compound interest and annuity.
Part A, compound interest. For this question, we're going to use the formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n. Future value S is 4000, P equal to X, I equal to 0.041 over 12, and n equal to 42. Put everything into the formula and we get 4000 equal to X bracket 1 plus 0.041 over 12 bracket power of 42. Calculate it and we get X is 3466.13, and next is the interest earned 4000 minus 3466.13, and we get 533.87. The first bank is Bank A. The interest rate is X% compounded semi-annually, and the future value is 8,500 ringgit. For the Bank B, is the interest rate is Y% compounded annually, and the future value is 8,900 ringgit. Since each bank produces a different future value, identify the value of X and Y. For bank A, we use the compound interest formula S equal to P times 1 plus I to the power of n. We substitute the value 8500 equal to 6300 times 1 plus x over 2 raised to the 10 power. Dividing both sides, we get 1.3492 equal 1 plus x over 2 to the power of 10. Taking the 10 root, 1 plus x over 2 become 1.0304. So x over 2 is 0.0304, which means the interest rate for the bank A is 6.08%. And for the bank B, we again use the same formula. 8900 equals 6300 times 1 plus y raised to the fifth power. After dividing, we get 1.4127 equal 1 plus y to the power of 5. Taking the fifth root give 1.0715, so y equal to 0.715, which is about 7.1544%.
So here we use the formula S equals to P in the quantity of 1 plus I to the power of n. We put all the data stated that we got from the question to the formula, which is P is 3000, I is 0.065 over 4, and n is 12. We calculate it and we will get 3,640 ringgit and 22 cent as the accumulated amount on 12 April 2022. So first, we have to calculate the value on the next year using the same formula, as P is 3,640 ringgit and 22 cent, I is 0.045 over 6, and N is 6. So we'll get 3,807 ringgit and 13 cents. After that, we have to minus 1,500 ringgit from the value as he withdraws the money, and we will get 2,307 ringgit and 13 cents. Furthermore, we calculate the future value using the same formula, as P is 2,307 ringgit and 13 cent, I is still the same as the previous equation, and N is 18. And we will get the future value at the end of 7 years is 2,639 ringgit and 27 cent. Next, we calculate the total interest earned by adding 1,500 ringgit in the 2,639 ringgit and 27 cent, and we will get 4,139 ringgit and 27 cent as the total value he would have. After that, we minus the original principal, which is 3,000 ringgit, from the amount we got earlier, and the total interest earned is 1,139 ringgit and 27 cent.
So calculate the original amount of motorcycle to the down payment. So we need to use the formula A equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of negative n over I. So just transfer all the information and you will get 7,725 ringgit 89 cents. Now that is not the original amount. The original amount you need to add with 150 ringgit. So your answer will be 9,225 ringgit 89 cents. So question B, find the interest charge. So I equals to NR minus A. So we just transfer all the information and you will get 1,274 ringgit 11 cents. Okay, so Malik failed to pay or third until fifth payment and he wants to pay all the outstanding balance on sixth payment. How much should he pay? So we need to use a present value formula, which is R times in bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of n minus 1 fraction I. So the n is 4 because 6 minus 2 is 4 because he failed to pay on third. So the second is fully paid. Now we just transfer all the information and you will get 1,840 ringgit and 91 cent. Question D. Immediately after 15 payment, he plans to settle the loan with a single payment. Find the total amount. So 20 minus 15, you get five more payments. So using the formula and just transfer all the information, you will get 2,152 ringgit 19 cents.
The first step we need to do for this question is find the down payment, and we will take 20% out of the 680,000 ringgit, and we will get 136,000 ringgit. Then we take 680,000 minus with 136,000, and we will get 544,000 ringgit as the balance due need to be paid. With the information given and the formula as well, we just need to put in every information inside the formula, and we can see that we still need to find the power of negative n. And after solving the equation to 1 point, it says 0.184 equals to bracket 1.00375 bracket to the power of negative n. This is where we need to use the log, and after using the log, the answer we will get is 452.2644. As you know, the answer that we have gotten is 452.2644, but you know n is month times years, so we need to divide by 12 to get the last answer, which is 37.69 years. Alright, that's all from us. Thank you.